Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can you choose product at Warriorplus and JVzoo. Today I will show you a lot of products at Warriorplus and JVzoo, and from that you can earn money 1000 or 5000 USD per month if you know the affiliate marketing. How can you do affiliate marketing, or how can you promote your product through Warriorplus and JVzoo marketplace? So today I will show you all the products at the Warriorplus and JVzoo marketplace. From that you can earn money, or this is all your passive earning. So let's get started. I will show you all tips and tricks. Okay. So first we will go to the JVzoo. Go to the JVzoo.com. If you don't know, then just see here, its name is JVzoo. Okay, it's a marketplace where you will get a lot of product and you can promote and earn. And another name is Warriorplus. If you don't know, then see here, Warriorplus. I will give link here. You can I will give my description at after link here, and you can open your account from my description link. So go to it's a Warriorplus. Okay, first one is JVzoo. You already seen that here my dashboard is 0 balance. I will not promoting product today. So it's my new account, so that's why. And you see that here a lot of product you will see. Products, go to the products, top sellers, find products. Its name is JVzoo. So here you can earn money, a lot of earn money. Million dollar are earning from here. Okay, get a lot of product. Just apply here, request approval. Just apply here, and you will get promoted. And just promote your link at the social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and many other platforms. And you will get commission daily. So I think it's the best method to earning money. JVzoo and Warriorplus. So just see here a lot of product which you need. Just see here and apply here. You just see here a lot of product related, make money related, other product, video animation, everything here. Just which niche you want to promote, just select here and apply here. After approve, uh, share your link at social media, or you will promote your product at social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and many other more. So you already seen the JVzoo. Now we are moving to the Warriorplus. I have already account at Warriorplus. Just apply at the affiliate here. Affiliate at Warriorplus. Just apply at affiliate at JVzoo. If you don't get any affiliate link, then go to my description link. Here I will give you the link where you can apply and you will get approved. After that, just choose a product, apply here. After that, just approve, you will get approved, and after approved, you will get your link, affiliate link, and just write a short description and promote your offer in all social media. I think you will get more sales if you do that. So here we see that a lot of product like Venus, pinning of profit, CB profit sales, all the product we can promote and we can apply. And after approval, we will get we will just apply here. You just see that the product description, which you will get this product benefit if you buy this. So just here, just after approval, just provide this vendor website to your customer, and or you can select this category or these features and just promote this at your customer. After your customer, I think your customer saw this and they will buy it. After that, you get a lot of commission. So today, I think you got the best true marketplace of the world famous. So I think it will help you a lot to earn money. And if you need the passive money, then this video is for you. If you need the daily money, this video is for you. Just subscribe my channel and always beside on me and always support me. So this type of secret method, or this type of affiliate marketing, secret marketing, and many other working method, or you'll earn a lot of money. So I think it's better channel for you. So subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon at my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for watching my videos.